Carl James Martin. And mukhang yung jab ni
He's the reigning IBF Pan Pacific Super Bantamweight Champion with a professional records of 21 wins. Hingyon Ifugao, the Wonder Boy Martin.
and we're all set for right now in slow. Carl James Martin, the Wonder Boy. Sa kanyang dibdib. He was supposed to fight. Merong gigil pero he was able trying nilang makorek dito para pagdating sa laban ay yun nga Itong si Oscar Dugue, he's got 5 losses but in all of those losses, Oscar Dugue, a good right. Pinatama ron ni Oscar nung first round. Martin bilang warm-up, ano? Kasi sabi nga po natin, yun ang mas mahirap no? Long layoff tapos meron kang injury. Huwag kayong magulag kung biglang mag-southpaw stance ito. Carl James Martin, cover lang, pa-counter-counter, but eto, pandon, good body work para rito kay may galaw, ano? Itong si Oscar Dugue, good jab straight from all round is enough para sa kanila. Good body shot by Carl. Habot siya ng isang magandang kanan from Martin. His work cut out for him. Parang ganun din ginawa niya, parang nagpapawis lang ng first round. So James Dugue of Tanzania. Ang gandang kombinasyon, balik agad sa ring. Resiliency. Maganda yung mga patama ni Martin of both fighters. Gandang Charleston. That was a counter right by Oscar Dugue. And Dugue wins, 5 losses. Carl James Martin, yung kanyang tibay. A fight scheduled for 10. Carl James Martin. And mukhang yung jab ni yung suntok ni Martin. Good uppercut from. At ang maganda rito, at least dito sa laban minsan dumidistansya, dumidepensa, kumakount, pakita ni Oscar Dugue. But at least mapapag-aralan dito ni Martin yung mga clans. Sabi ni Oscar Dugue, relax ka lang brother, nandito pa ako. Punta rito ni Oscar Dugue, a good right-left combo from Carl Martin. Body shot, counter left from Carl. But mapapansin natin, kunyari pagod na para makakita rin ng opening. Counter, 5th round. Cooperative na production group. Pero si Martin, same pa rin yung kanyang offensive. If ever, no? Kung meron mga naiooka, pati sa katawan, tulad niyan, bumato ng uppercuts. And Oscar Dugue. Yung uppercut, usually yan, walang depensa dyan good right there from Oscar Carl James Martin. And probably na nag-ensayo, no? And he kept himself. Another right. Oscar Dugue. Kung tatama pa na isa, there's a chance na makakuha. An action, a good right by Oscar Dugue. Much pain para kali yung depensa ni Carl James Martin. Good left hook by aggressive here. Inaatake niya itong si Oscar Dugue pero nakita nyo Martin trying to finish this bout. Still defending himself very well. Kaya siguro inaatake na ni Carl James Martin. Balik aksyon. Medyo naputol yung momentum din ni Carl James Martin. Perhaps realizing na kaya niya yung suntok ni Oscar Dugue. Ni Oscar Dugue. Something na hindi natin Carl James Martin pero makikita mo si Oscar Dugue live mula po rito. Tumama ron si Oscar Dugue. And pasalamatan na. Bati na natin lahat. Gabriel Bebot Elorde, Miss Arlene. I think maraming question marks sa isipan. Kung titignan nila if ever matapos ito ng ganito, pasulpot-sulpot na mga suntok si Oscar Du part of Martin. Bakit parang tipong hindi niya pinatama ni Oscar Dugue? Bawi naman ng kanan. Good left there. Kasama si mula po rito sa Elorde Sports Complex. But at the same time, posible rin na hindi niya iniinda. If ever, kung 10, and again, balikan ko lang yung sinasabi, medyo kung meron mang kalawang, pwedeng dito na yung timing parating nandun, yung lakas parating nandun. A tough assignment niya na gusto niya mangyari dito. To be the first fighter na ma-knockoutin, umaatake. Martin. Kasi nakikita natin, yung kanyang opensa aktibo naman. Marami siya mga pating coach. Mel Lantin ng Fit 21, 10A1. Or rather, Oscar Dugue from Tanzania. Dito nagbibigay siya ng problema kay Carl. Kanyang ginagalaw dito. Yung kanyang punching power, masasabi ba natin na So maraming pwedeng pag-aralan. Bigwas sa counter itong si Oscar Dugue. Counter, trying to work on that counter right hook. So it's a matter of timing sa katawan, but ang tanong is, tama ba yung timing? Carl James Martin ay pumapasok bigla to si Oscar Dugue. Now, Carl James Martin attacking the body. And Martin, known ring announcer, si from Tanzania. Maraming dapat i-assess, maraming dapat i-check. Conditioning, I think walang problema. No? It's obvious na dala ng bakasyon, kaya yung timing na affect Coach Melantin. Yung kanyang meron din itong nutritionist, sensing na parang nasaktan niya si Carl James Martin. Good alam ni Carl James Martin. Yung mga ganong patama, siguro nga isang rated na Mexican. He took Oscar Dugue for granted, but each and every opponent at para